If you have mastered the Rayleigh to blind, then I am sure you have the backside 313 in mind. But wait, there is one step to go. The blind judge. The key to this maneuver is pulling the bar towards your front hip and looking over your back shoulder. Start by following your unhooked procedure. Place your kite at around 1 o'clock to begin with. The kite angle may decrease as your level improves. It is better to send your kite downwards rather than up as you pop and execute the trick. This trick is similar to the Rayleigh to blind, but requires more height and speed through the move. Initiate an aggressive pop. Once your Rayleigh is complete, you want to start your rotation as soon as possible. Whilst constantly thinking about pulling the bar towards your front hip, swing your knees forward and board back beneath you, focusing on kicking your front knee forwards and up. Let go of your backhand, look over your back shoulder, and swing your arms and shoulder in the direction of your rotation. Reach for and grab the bar. This will balance you and set you for landing, which will come soon after the handle pass. Let's remember the key elements. Rotate as soon as possible, pulling the bar towards your front hip. Kick your front knee forwards and up. Look over your back shoulder. Reach for and grab the bar. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.